What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got yet another cool tech for you. And today we have something special, which is, ta-da, oral irrigator. This is a portable oral irrigator. This is one that's got batteries inside, and you can obviously use to rinse your mouth using this device. This is WAFLOO's Portable Oral Irrigator. Pretty much this picture, and this is what you're going to see in the box. On the left you have working modes: strong, normal, soft, pulse and child mode. So children can use this as well. Capacity of water tank is 180 milliliters. Pressure range is 30 to 120 psi. Water pulse is 1400 to 1800 times per minute. Manufactured in Shenzhen. And there are of course the certifications: ROHS, FCCE, UKCA and some recycling information. On your left you have IPX7 waterproof, 180 milliliters telescopic water tank, rechargeable battery, USB-C charging, and it's made in China. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Travel case first up. It's a pretty nice quality soft travel carry case. You get the device itself, and you get some kits for the dental floss. In fact, 4 of these, and you get the Type-C charging cable. This is the website. 2 years of warranty is what you'd get if you register. Right, these are your accessories. One tongue cleaner, and the other flossers and things using water. Here's your device. Comes in this interesting case. So this is the tank, and the tank is out. This should go around this guy. And at the top you have the power button, as you can see. On-off button, mode button, short press this button to adjust water pressure, long press button to switch mode. This is your, the installation. As you can see, this guy moves, so it would lock the flosser in place. Let's see how this guy works. This is nice and simple installation. And when you need to take it out, just press this button and that should come out. And when you turn it on, here's your charging. This is strong. This is your child mode. And then there's your pulse mode, soft mode, normal and strong. These are the different modes. Nothing major, nothing. You fill this chamber with your floss thingy, and then you can just start to use it. Right, so you press these. They just sort of build some pressure and allow this chamber to open. Okay, you've got the rubber gasket over here. I'm going to fill some water and let's give it a try. Yeah. Okay, so what I've done is I've just filled normal water, tap water, and I'm going to dip this guy inside. IPX7 waterproof, yay! And now when I turn it on, child mode. This is your strong mode. Oh my days, I'll have to turn it off. As you can tell, there's a lot of mess. With your teeth, you'll have to obviously give it a try and work it for your own good, to test it out for your own self and see if this works for you. If you have any questions or queries, please do feel free to reach out. And as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care, cheers, bye.